Hey everybody, welcome back. Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project, except this isn't a new one. This is a recreation. I first did this about a year ago and you've seen me use the same basic idea a couple times since then. I'll link to a couple of those videos below if you want to see. But I thought I'd recreate it because I have a customer order for this black opal twist cup. Very simple. And I'm going to start by putting Aleene's Tacket over and over, mixed with some water, onto a twist tumbler. These are no longer available as far as I know, which is unfortunate because they're really cool looking. But I happened to buy a de-stash, like clearance, we're getting rid of them sort of thing, sale of a case of these a year or so ago, and I'm still working my way through that. I sanded it, washed it, spray painted it black, and now I'm going to put tacket on it. I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to take some Aleene's Tacket over and over glue and mix it with some water, and it's approximately 50-50. I definitely do not worry about exactness or measuring. I eyeball. You can add just a little bit of water. You can add, half and half like I do here, approximately. You can use it straight out of the bottle. Whatever floats your boat. I do think that this makes it a little easier to spread on smoothly, but whatever works for you is fine. There is no rule. I'm just gonna apply a smooth, even as I can get layer on here. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm going to come back. I won't make you come back for it, but I'm going to come back after this first layer dries and apply a second layer exactly the same way. And I'll let that dry, and then I'll bring you back when it's all dry but still tacky, and we'll apply our micas. These are chameleon micas from Woody's Goodies. I've even printed this out so I can easily tell you because the labels are kind of hard for me to read. They're so small. We have When Life Hands You a Jeffrey, Say My Name, Heisenberg, You're Goddamn Right. I myself am strange and unusual, my precious, I triple dog dare you, they're here. They all float down here. Did we just become best friends? Make him an offer he can't refuse, and Marcia, Marcia, Marcia. And you don't have to use these. She has a whole, Erin Wood on Woody's Goodies has a ton of these gorgeous color shifting micas. These are the 10 I will be using for this cup today and used in previous videos, but please go explore her site. There is a link down below in the description area with a discount code, so feel free to take advantage of it. So we'll come back when this is dry and tacky and we'll apply our micas. And we're back. Okay, while I was setting up for this, I realized that I read off 10 names, but I actually have 12 micas here. I must have just decided to use 10 the last time I did this. So I will list all 12 of the names below of everything I'm going to use. And I'm just going to start brushing these on. I mean, really, that's all there is to it. Patches all over. A little burnishing. And there you have it, one gorgeous black opal cup. This now gets a layer of resin. Actually, I will put one layer of resin on it for the purposes of this video. It will get at least one more layer of resin on it before it goes to the customer, because I know people are curious about that. I don't show it because every new layer of resin doesn't really change the look any. It's just going to be another layer of clear resin. This will just be a clear layer of KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV. And yeah, next time you see this, should be out in the sunshine.